No more fear. In your arms, I'm finally here. Every scar that's on my skin is fading now because of him. You're home in my heart, where I belong. A place so safe, where love is strong. Every step, every breath feels like a song. With you, I know I can breathe on. You're home in my heart, I see you. Through every storm, I'll hold you near. No more doubt, no more pain. With you, love will always remain. In this time, I hear your voice. It's the reason that I rejoice. With every word, with every smile, you made this journey worthwhile. No more searching, no more fight. On my way to the light. In your love, I'm finally home. You healed every part of my soul. Well, you're home in my heart. In your arms, I found my place. In your heart, I feel your grace. You're home in my heart, where I belong. A place so safe when. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Can you all hear me? Nice to see you all again. Right, I'm Amir. Okay, one of the top leader of the BitNest. Right. So before I get, okay, welcome to my Zoom meeting again. Right. Before I start my today's sessions, I want to show you all something that's okay for your knowledge. Okay. So I will teach you all how to check all this, check all the information in the account. All right. I hope that this will benefit you, you know, for you all to, I hope that you all can learn this so you all next time can check it by yourself to verify everything, you know, not only listen to people, I mean, listen to comment people. All right. So this is a website. I will share it in the screen. All right. You can see this. This is 3121. All right. What is 3121? It's the bank get swapped address. All right. Okay. So you can see here, bank get swapped. All right. So from here, actually, you can see a lot of the information. You can see the bank get swaps. All right. Let's go to here first. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Let's verify is this the bank get swap information correct or not. So you can see this. Okay. 30963. Okay. Come back here. All right. It's 30 because it's not exactly 100% the same because because of you can see this more than 30 million because every second the transaction, the amount will change. So this is not on time, but you can see here this 3121. Okay, so you can see here there's a lot of information. This is all the transactions. Okay, especially when we come to these counterparts, you can see DEX router, budget wallets, all the transactions with this 3121 is here. All right, Bit Finance, Open, the proxy and this address, you can check, you can see this. Yeah, you can see BitNest also. All right. Okay. This is for 24 hours. 24 hours with Binance wallets, 15,800 transactions, 6.37 millions in 24 hours. Right. And here you can see BitNest also. Right. So you have 3,000 transactions. Okay. 3,000 transactions in 24 hours, close to 2 millions. Okay. And you can see DEX router 18 transaction 466,000. So actually from here you can see there's a lots of people maybe other projects, other projects are also using this 3121 pancake swaps. All right, because 3121 have a lot of counterparts. Okay, it's not only cater for business only, right? Okay, so there are a lot of information here. You can see. Okay, you also can see everything from here, right? One very interesting point is Binance also. The Binance wallet 6.3. What does it mean? What does it mean? Actually, yes, this only shows some of the Binance transaction only. It's not all, because if under 24-hour Binance transaction is a lot more than this 6.37 million. All right. So you have to know that this is only some of the informations that can show it by the account, but it's not 100% full. Right. Okay. Right. Let's go back to our right. So let's go back to our topic for today. Right. Building a legally compliant and sustainable crypto finance ecosystem. Right. The content will cover the era demands legal and sustainable returns, and also what is BitNest income model legal and rational, right? And 17th generation of reward system, not upon scheme. And BitNest, the model of crypto banking system, and DeFi is the future. And why BitNest is built to go for further, right? And the conclusion we will talk about only a system that can last 10 years deserve for your commitment today. Right. Okay. So, in today's world of increasing regulatory and growing of the user awareness, any high return project that lack legality, transparency, and sustainability is destined to fail, right? So people are seeking platforms that are truly legitimate, offer fund security, and provide long-term compounding potential. So, BitNet is the answer. That's what everybody wants. Okay, why I talk about this? Why BitNet income model is legal and rational, right? Let's look at this. So the core income model of BitNet is based on on-chain fund leasing and smart contract-based profit sharing. All right. Okay. So all funds flow are earned and earnings are executed through automatically with the smart contracts. So no human manipulations and opaque process. All right. With audit by firm like Cerdic and DeFi. All right. So like, okay, so all the transaction you can check it by here. All right. Okay, so all the transaction you can check it by here. All right, you can see the transfer. Okay, transfer is the customer. Invest in 526E, invest in loop with 183, and then loop 526E will send the funds to MangetSwap, right? So the process is like this. Okay, as you can see, the process is like this. So how we can go and check it? Where is the BitNest, the relationship of the BitNest and the PancakeSwaps, right? PancakeSwap is the LP, all right? It's supply, okay? It have PancakeSwap have many counterparts, right? Not only BitNest, you can see the Binance also, right? Uniswap also, 1inch and Bitget wallet, everything is here. Okay, you can see this. This is whole the process, you know. 526E send the fund to the PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap send back to the 526E smart contract. All right. So with all the certifications, you know, the approval and the dev fee, all right, I think this is solid enough. I think this is a very solid point that we should look into it instead of listen so-called those self-claimed experts, you know, all right? Okay. So BitNet with all these solid provens to ensure the open process, transparent rules, and legal structures. All right. And then the 17 level commission is a reward system, is not a Ponzi scheme. Why I say like this? All right. A lot of people say that, oh, as long as you have layering, that is Ponzi scheme. I can tell you that is Binance a Ponzi scheme? Binance also have 9 level of layering, right? So with those people without understand the whole structure, claim it is a Ponzi scheme, all these are noobs and are idiot, all right? Just no need to listen to them because they're so stupid. Okay? So all profit come from real mechanism and return to user. Okay? So many all these people misunderstand multi-level commission as a Ponzi scheme. But in BitNet, the 17 level structure is a marketing incentive budget allocated from the platform profits, not new funds paying from the old users, all right? Just like the traditional companies spending marketing budget on advertisements, BitNest redirect this budget to reward the real contributors. So who is the real contributors? You and me, all right? The people who invite new members to come in, all right? So it's creating a more fair, efficient, and decentralized growth model, all right? So business profits. Okay, so business profit do not come from the speculative trading or sustainable hits, no, all right, but all come from real market demand for capital, all right? So from the high frequency traders, arbitrage funds, and crypto hedge team list funds to operate in the market. All right, that's how BitNet generate all the returns. So these returns are distributed back to the investor and promoters through the smart contracts, so creating a positive and sustainable profit cycle. All right. So you can think like BitNet is a model of crypto banking system, right? Just as the traditional bank generate profit by all the people deposit money and then loans out, you know, BitNet use blockchain to build a crypto banking model, right? Okay, so user provide the liquidity equivalent to making the deposits. Okay, so smart contract list fund to markets participants, and profit are automatically distributed to liquidity provider and the promoter. That means you and me. All right. So the entire process is on change, trustless, and fully auditable. All right. So compared to all those previous centralized financial system, what is the difference? What BitNest offer? So BitNest offer is no need to trust the party. Okay, you can globally can participate. Mechanism coded in smart contracts. No manual interventions, right? And then the marketing budget flows back to the user. Transparent incentive and profit and data untraceable on change. No room for frauds. Okay, a modular and expandable ecosystem built for long-term growth, right? So only a system that can last 10 years or more deserve your commitment today, right? You have to understand BitNest is not a get rich quick fantasy, but a long-term sustainable and a scalable decentralization financial ecosystem, right? So in the next 10 years, the financial revolution will favor to those who reshape the structure, right? And join your own income generating system. That is BitNest. All right. So a lot will ask when you come to BitNest, right? Like what kind of questions? So is BitNest income legal or not? Right? Is this 17 level commission pyramid scheme? You know, and how could a platform like this possible last? Right? Okay. We must understand, like what just I said, what kind of income is considered illegal. First, so in the context of legal regulations, illegal income is like what? No real capital flow. Okay. Profit distribution is manually controlled, right? And funds are untraceable on change. You cannot trace, and based on recruitment downline. All right. So how does BitNest income model fundamentally different from above? Very simple. All funds flow are handled by smart contract. All right. That this one no need to argue. All right. No need to argue. You cannot say anything already. Okay. So BitNest saving box and loops product are fully developed on change. All right. With transparent smart contract logic, all action, deposit, withdrawal, and structure commission and funds flow are visible on change, cannot be tampered with. All right. It's a clear profit source, capital leasing plus on-chain yield. All right. Okay. So let's look at the next parts. All right. So the platform profit structure is returning all value to the investor and promoter. All right. So BitNest fundamentally different. It was designed from the ground up to transparency, return every dollar earned by the system to the people who truly contribute. All right. Is it great? You know, is it great? Whatever BitNest using your funds to generate income, and then they pay back all the return to you, to all the user. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? You tell me. Okay. So if somebody tell this is a problem, this is scam, I think the main problem is himself. Okay, people pay back all the income to the user. He think it's something wrong. I don't know what's wrong with all these people. All right. So BitNest did not profit from spread arbitrage or middleman fees between users. Instead, it functioned as decentralized crypto financial infrastructure. So every cent of income earned by the system is instantly distributed through smart contracts. So to those who provide liquidity, join in lock-in periods, build network structures, or actively promote the platforms. right? And there's somebody say that, oh, the address that BitNest pay out is not audited, it's very risky. What risk is it? I tell you, what risk is it? So far, do have anybody that did not get back his investment funds? No. What risk is it? Right? The whole BitNest project from A to Z is audited and approved by the CETIC. And you as a don't know where it come from, you tell that this is problem. Okay. I think all this self-claim expert, I don't know where is their qualification come from. All right. If they don't like it, they just get out from here. No need to go and say so many things, All right. So every cent of income earned by the system is instantly and proportionally distributed through smart contract, right? The platform cannot intervene, rewards a hard code or change. The platform has no access to profits. The revenue sharing logic is hard coded in the smart contract, right? When I say hard code, if you can ask this wording to the ID people, they all know hard code means cannot be changed. All right, this is a IT words. All right. So because of that, investor receive the financial returns, promoter receive structural commissions. The platform takes no cuts and focus solely on improving system efficiency, transparency, and security. Right. So this is not a disruption of traditional profit model. This is a new way of fair and transparent value sharing. So BitNest stands as a truly community-driven platform, rewarding contributors and built for long-term sustainability. All right. Hey, let's look at the next slides. Okay. BitNest as a crypto bank, a stable structure for long-term operation. Okay. So BitNest is a system level implementation of a decentralized crypto bank in the blockchain world. Okay. First, the fund leasing logic same with mirror the traditional banks. So in BitNest, the saving box and bit loops model offer deposit functions. User lock their USDT into smart contract, which are then leased to institutions with real capital needs, like high frequency trading firms, DeFi arbitrage teams, or on-chain market makers. So the render fees become the user daily income, right? So the platform never used or hold user funds. Instead, smart contract handle every transaction, fully traceable on chain, compared to traditional bank. Although black box model, BitNet is more transparent and automated crypto bank. Okay. And then the second, we will come from real market yield, not financial hits. So BitNet user returns higher than traditional banks, not by magic. But because the demand for liquidity listing in crypto market is naturally strong, all right? High frequency traders, DEX market makers, and other to pay premium for capital, liquidity supplier in the system, right? And then no new funds needed, no price speculations, real rental profits only, right? BitNest income model is based on the stable loops of funds leasings, profit generation, structure redistributions. It does not rely on new user, okay? It's nor the volatile market or speculative trading, no. BitNest gives BitNest a strong risk resistance and solid foundation for long-term operations. Okay, and it is right. So and then sustainable for 10 years, 20 years, or even more. Right. So BitNest is built as a mechanism-driven funds matching system that replaced manual control with smart contract. There is no human dependence on the profit pool. Okay, no centralized black box or operation. Profit sharing, commission payout, render execution are fully automated. All right, this means that even if the founder leave, the technical team change, or the community leadership evolve, the system will keep on functions. All right, if you are really understand what is smart contract and on-chain, you understand what I mean. Okay, so this is a platform that does not rely on people, but on rules, consensus, and codes. Right? So this is a financial infrastructure built to last for 10 years, 20 years, or even more. Right? Okay, let's look at the next slides. Right? So as I can say, you don't need to trust the party. What you need to trust is the codes. All right? BitNest was born within this macro trends as a decentralized financial service platform. Okay. Once again, all reward distribution are coded into smart contract and executed automatically. All right. No platform owners can alter the rules. All right. No customer service that will freeze your accounts. All data is transparent, traceable, and immutable. Right. Okay. Right. So let's look at these parts. Okay. So why we need to promote? The more participant, the stronger the system. BitNest operate on a reverse Ponzi logic. All right. The earlier the participant and the deeper the structural replications, the stronger and more stable the system becomes. So it does not rely on new user paying the old ones. So instead, real capital flow and real market demand drive value exchange. So a larger network generates stronger capital flow, which in turn support a bigger pool and a wider audience. So this is a system built to run for 10 years, 20 years, or even more. It's not depends by people. It's driven by rules, not depending on new money, but on real value. All right. So BitNest, I can say that BitNest is only a system that can run for 10 years or even more. Is worth to committing from now. All right. Let's look at this. All right, as you can see, all the point here is I already just mentioned it out just now. Okay. So let's look at the conclusion. Decentralization is unavoidable. All right, this trend. BitNest fully embodies these global trends, whether you believe it or not. Global finance is growing shift towards the decentralizations, on-chain governance, and a multi-party value sharing. Right? What BitNest represent include what? A blockchain executed smart contract system. Okay, and the platform income distribution model, self-direct team structure, verifiable, secure, and transparent funds architecture. And these are the foundation of the next generation finance. So you shouldn't just be a user, you should be a builder of this new financial structure. Okay. Don't stay trapped into the short-term thinking. What is the return? How much should I expend? And how many percentage I can earn? The truly smart people is what? they will ask, am I building an exact structure? Do I control my own income system? Is my time investing leading to a multi-generation replicable structure? So if your answer is yes, then BitNest is not just a project. This is one of the most important income system of your next decade. You have to know that BitNest is not a speculation. It's a system. BitNest is not a platform. It's a mechanism. BitNest is not a story. It is a trend. Every day gives you the chance to make a smarter decisions. Financial freedom isn't out of reach, but it's a journey shaped by the choice you make today, right? You can start small, stay consistent, and grow freely, all right? So are your daily choices leading you towards freedom or further away from it? All right? So you have to think. You have to think, you have to think, all right? From all this proven, like, okay, you can see that, there's a lock here. There's a lock here means what? The contract owner already renounced the ownership, all right? That means that the smart contract is cannot control by anyone, all right? The smart contract is automated. So how an automated machine go and cheat you? You tell me. You tell me. Sometimes all those joker, go and say that this is not safe, this is not safe. I don't know. I don't know where are they come from. I think the only explanation is they want to promote other project to you. All right. I mean, this is what we know. All right. With all this, actually, everybody can check from here. Can check from here. There are so many people are joining. Investing every seconds. And even here, you also can check here. All right. There are so many projects that you're using the 3121. All right. But of course, this is only showing partial of the transactions. All right. It's not all yet because very simple. You can see the Binance 6.37 million impossible Binance transaction is so less. That was okay. Binance, right? Binance is the largest in the world. Its daily transaction is more than that. But this is some of the, partial of the informations, right? You can see BitNest is here, all right? Okay, there are so many address here also, you can check it, all right? So all the BitNest strengths are proven by third party, okay, with BSC scans, by accounts, for the flow, codings, code, all right, coding by Certix, okay, and operation by the DeFi, okay. So to me, it's already showing that BitNest is safe and legal from every angle, all right? From every angle, okay? It's not by mouth, okay? So, all right. So that's all for my sharing today. Up to here, is there anybody have anything to share? Let me send up again the PPT again, all right? And then this people from Malaysia recording in Telegram. Sure. After this, you can obtain the video from the team leader. All right, I will send out also. Okay, so up to here, is there anybody have anything to ask? Anything want to share? Anything that you want to recommend? Anything you want to share with us, or anything you want to ask? Hello. Okay, I already sent out my PPT. All right, PPT is here. Okay, yes, Ramesh.
Yeah. I am Ramesh Mehta from Delhi. Just I wanted to know about when the basic input is not will not came, then how can you generate the money for 24% for 28 days?
What not come? What
I I mean
if
when people not invested once sometime it's happened in another project like Forsage and all, when people are not going to invest any amount, that time how this system will generate or will sustain, that time the whole amount you can capture or you can take
okay, I
had.
understand. All right, I understand your question. Okay, let me explain to you. If there are no people leasing, no people want to lease the funds. In the same
Okay.
time, also that means that the business don't need any funds. All right. On that moment, you not even can invest in the loan. The system will show you that fund not. That means that if nobody going to leasing, that means that when you go and invest in the loans, you also cannot invest it. That's it. You understand? You understand? So that means that when nobody lease it, nobody want to lend the fund from BitNest. People also cannot deposit money into the BitNest. All right? Okay. But do you ever see that nobody go to bank and borrow money? I can tell you that forever, the world, the people will need money. Do you ever see that a rich people say that I enough money already, I don't need to earn more money? No, that is impossible. All right, that is impossible. So this kind of question is a very stupid question. No need to ask. No need to ask. All right. Okay. Next, Ramesh, do you get what I mean?
No, nothing. When you are not about to listening,
Amir, good
you are
evening.
not
Farhan here.
about to listening, then why anybody ask question from you?
What? Okay, you can. Okay, I explain to you again. When there are nobody going to create the leasing from the BitNets, that means that nobody need to lease the money on the time. Even when you want to invest in the loop, you will not success. Right? It will not success. Okay, that means
No,
that
my question is simple. 28 days is enough for anything. That time any wrong thing can happen.
no.
Suppose
Okay,
that that time a lot of money has been deposited, and that money can be uh, I mean goes into another way, in wrong way, wrong platform, or you can seize that money. Is it happen in this platform also?
no. Because when you don't need money, you cannot invest money. So that means that when no one, that means
Amir,
yes,
excuse me.
yes,
Excuse me, Amir. This is Farhan from India.
yes.
Uh, what Mr. Ramesh wants to say is, suppose when thousands of people have invested money in Bitnest Loop, okay, for 28 days they have put for a stake. After 1 week or so, will the system will stop automatically,
No,
or will the system will collapse, or will it go away?
no, no,
This
no,
is
no,
his question.
no. It doesn't run that way. It actually is run before that. When when all these people go and invest in low, that means all this investment already matching with the leasing. All right. So
Mis-
the
Mr. Farhan, please
hold on.
explain in Hindi language. Later, our research completes. Okay.
Okay. So that means that when you invest in the loop, your your return is already there. Okay. So you don't need to worry after 1 week if the system collapse or not. No, it will not happen. Right? It will not happen. Okay.
Mr. Ari,
Yes. Ilaha?
hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. To add to that, the according to the agreement in the leasing aspect, it's quite different from the loop, participating in the loop. In the lease aspect, somebody coming to lease money on BitNest doesn't have to wait till the contract will end before he will pay back. That is to say, they pay upfront before their contract expire. They pay
Yes.
the interest. If not, there is a liquidation. That means they will tend to lose their collateral, which is BTC or ETH. So the thing is, they pay upfront before, let's say somebody lease a contract for 28 days. On the lease aspect, the person don't have to wait till 28 days. He has to pay before the countdown. If not, there will be a automatic liquidation. That means it stand a chance to lose his or her collateral. So our profit is coming upfront before we even whenever you are making a look, just know that there is somebody ready to lease that money. So, and the profit is already sure. So, because the person coming to lease is putting a collateral, which is BTC or ETH, and when the person fulfill, the system will automatically liquidate the asset. So, we don't have any problem regards to that, because our interest that we are earning, the little percent we are earning, is coming upfront. All right.
Yes, yes, correct. Okay, thank you. Rakoto, what is your concern?
Hello,
Yes,
I'm Rakuto from Madagascar.
yes, yes. Thank you.
You know, I have some question for you. Almost people as deposit is money for the scam platform, and actually it's very difficult for us to convince in many people for creating the community. As for you, what can we do for resolving that big problem?
Okay, I understand. Ilaha, Ilaha, Ilaha.
Yes, yes.
I think you should have share your experience and then your way to this member from Madagascar. All right, how you do that?
Okay, okay. The thing is, my own little contribution is, no matter what you do, people will always doubt you, especially now there are a lot of scam. All right. So just what Mr. Ame always say, time will prove over time. I remember when I joined last year also, there are some people I invited, they didn't agree to join immediately. So with time, they see the thing is really going with time over time. So you don't really need to force yourself. Now, the BitNest platform is not uh, uh um
Short time.
a smart contract where you have to bring two people under you. A pyramid, you have to bring two people under you before you can earn. No, but you are giving people around you an opportunity to earn. So you don't really have to make this convenient. Let
Hello,
time speak for you.
Lani.
Thank
For
you.
me,
Okay,
All right. So and then okay, let me add up some. So if people just cannot agree with you, never mind, you just move on. All right. Find the right people. Find the right people. Sometimes all these people they're not joining you now, but maybe next month or maybe after 3 months. They see when they see your progress, then they will start to regret. Okay? And good,
No,
so
Mr.
good.
Imran, I just
hello,
resolve my one
hello,
query.
hello,
Once
hello,
Hold on,
if
hold on, hold on. One by one, one by one, one by one.
just
hello,
listen to me, plus please.
hello,
Hello?
hello.
Once My
Hello.
contract has been created on Binance Chain Exchange or BNB Chain because our investment is in BP20, right? So must be on BSC chain. So my smart contract is deployed on BSC chain. Why not you stop or take back from that BSC chain?
Ewa.
I mean, why not I can or
Hello.
they people creator stop or remove that smart contract from Binance chain? They can.
Wait. There's so many people talking. All right. So regarding what you said, that I think is quite unreasonable. First thing is the smart contract. All the code is already written there. All right. Once you invest on that, smart contract will run automatically. All right. The whole process will run automatically without any changes. Nobody can change it. Even the creator also cannot change it. Even the BSC Binance also cannot change it. Nobody can change it. All right. You have to understand first what is the fundamental of the smart contract. All right. Then don't tell me why you don't change it. Okay. How to prove it cannot change. All right. Everybody know that smart contract once deployed cannot be changed. The coding also already approved by CertX. Okay, and the coding and the white paper is in the platform. You can, if you can understand how to read the code, you can go ahead. But to me, I only trust the CertX and the DeFi. All right, so that is no way and nobody can stop the smart contract and change the smart contract code. All right. Okay. So next. Anybody? Anybody have anything? Other thing to share?
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. I want to buttress on what Mr. Jeremiah just said. Can you hear me, please?
We are hearing you.
Okay,
We
yeah,
are
I want to
hearing you.
buttress on what Mr. Jeremiah just said. Yeah, see, regarding the question that a colleague from India just asked, because he already dropped it as a message. There's no business that is that easy to run. Even your personal business, otherwise everybody will be rich. So the issue of difficulty in creating a community is a normal thing. Because of what is happening around, people cannot just accept, a proposal you present to them for them to bring up money and invest like that, because a lot of things has happened. And as well, you don't intend to, win everybody. You talk to 10 people or 20 people and you happen to get just one or two, So that is it. So aside that, another thing I want to contribute there is that if you're having that much difficulty in creating a community, you can as well concentrate in compounding your interest. If you put a reasonable sum and you allowed it over time, let's say 6 months or 1 year, if you have anything as a target, you are going to achieve that for sure. So if you're having that much difficulty in, inviting people and creating a community, like Mr. Jeremiah said, business is not when you bring 2 or 3 people. That is when you get your interest. No, whatever you invest, you are going to get the interest at the end of 28 days, depending on whichever is your choice. So it's a two-way thing. It's either you can bring create a community, invite people, and if you cannot do much as expected, you can as well put in your money, and your money runs for you within a time, your specific time, and then you get what you want from it. So it's as simple as that. Yeah, it's just a normal life. Whatever is whatever you face in every other business is what you face in business running. So I don't see, to me, it's a win-win thing. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. And Sagon?
Yeah, thank you. Like what the Mr. Jeremiah said, is okay. But one thing I'll just tell the person that I should not give up. The person should not give up. In every business, there's challenges because people will always want to see you and they will want to always ask you a lot of questions. Even though when you take them to the place where the real business is, some will doubt it. But what I would just say is that the person should not give up. You should continue with the continuity and then perseverance. Like what happened to me now. Each time I tell some people, say no. Because I remember when BitNest came to my area, when I received it from my upline, Debbie, It was that just 2 weeks when there's a fraud. There's a kind of online that came that time. It frauded people, it collected their money. Now, and I brought BitNest during that time. People, even though some people, they were raining costs, they were saying a lot of things, but that one did not stop me. I was saying it, that BitNest is, even though then I did not even know much about it like now. I was saying BitNest was this. So I continue. So the people that saw the genuinity and they joined me, now we are growing gradually. So I would tell that man that he should not give up, should continue. That's my own advice for him. So thank you.
And then second. Just now there's
Thank you.
I think Indian's new member, he was asking a question. So when he invests in Loop, the funds in really in the basic scale, basic chain. So why is it can or not we go and cancel that transactions or cancel that deal in a big BSC chain or not? Can or not? How you think about this question?
Hello.
Mm,
Sir, good evening.
when
Hold on.
hello.
Yes. Second first. Hold on. Second.
When that guy now, the way he invested the money in the Loop, the
Yes.
moment you invest your money, the contract have been recorded and have been assigned. So, like what you have been teaching us, you have been showing us how the money, everything has been locked, how the owner have renounced everything. It has shown to us, we have tested it and we have seen it. So himself should go ahead and do all these things so that he can prove it. Because the moment enter the Loop and it's circulated maybe for 1 day, for 7 days, 14 days, he need to wait. He need to wait. And after he has wait, the contract will pay back. The contract will pay back. And there's no need of saying
what they worry is somebody can cancel the contract in the halfway.
No. It cannot be cancelled in the halfway. Never. How will it do it? This is a contract now. No. No. It's a smart contract. Cannot be cancelled on the halfway. The person need to wait until when the day circulated reach. Then that is when the contract will pay automatically to his wallet. It can never be cancelled and it can never be withdrawn. Like a case, I have somebody now in the process of a robber snatched the man's phone. And when they snatched the man's phone, and then we try to one way or the other, the man did not write the 12 phrase well. Maybe there's a mistake.
Okay.
There's a mistake in writing. There's a mistake in writing the 12 phrase well. Because assuming you write the 12 phrase well, now we've gotten another new phone. The 12 phrase will bring the wallet back to the new phone. But because he didn't write it well, so the contract is telling us error phrase. So it means the contract is automatically a program whereby nobody can easily change it or alter it. The moment you circulate, it's programmed like that until when the circulation lapse before you can easily have access to your money. And the process of that on the halfway, I'm tired and I don't want to do it again. Let me cut it off. No, you have to wait. You have to be patient. That is what I would say to the person.
Okay, thank you.
That is the contract. That's the. You're welcome, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me for one year.
Yes.
Mr. Segan, actually, one of my friends who has asked a question, what he has asked is, what I feel is, whether after getting circulation for 28 days or for 14 days or whatever it is, can this BitNest system will get scam or not? He's asking that question. His mind is going there only.
No, cannot.
With what we have been taught and what we have experienced, and the pancake, if the person can go to the pancake and check, it can never be scam. Because it can never be scam in the essence that I've tested it myself. I've seen it. Because there's a time somebody circulated, like what I told you. If we said, if something can be scam, okay, somebody, they collected his wallet, they collected his phone. And when they collected his phone, this thing happened 2 weeks ago, something. And in the process of that, we have to get another phone, do all these things. And by the grace of God, the money was, all the data and everything, the BNB, the USD, they came back to the phone. In the process of saying scamming, I don't think that one can be scammed. BitNest cannot be scammed like that because it's a smart contract. Are you
Yeah.
getting me? And it's big on it. So it cannot be scammed. So you can check the push just to confirm yourself. So it cannot be scammed. Cannot be
Yes.
scammed.
Yes.
So that's it.
And PancakeSwap cannot be scammed. No any hacker in the world can break.
Nobody can hack it.
Oh,
Except
okay,
the only
okay,
thing can
okay,
make
okay,
the
great,
the only
great,
thing that
great.
excuse me,
Yes.
excuse me, the only thing
Hello.
they can transfer your wallet. If the
BitNest
person know
does
your
not
12
control
push,
your money. Okay, actually,
no.
even you invest. Okay, let me explain again. All right, when you invest in BitNest, all right, when you invest in BitNest, the fund will go into PancakeSwap. You know, platform website does not keep your funds. All your funds in PancakeSwap, 100% safe.
Hello.
Okay,
100% safe. Yes.
all right, understand?
Hello.
Yes.
We are hearing you.
Good
You're
evening,
welcome.
sir.
Again.
Good evening.
Yeah, I can hear you. Just speak up. What?
We are hearing you. Speak out. Ask your question. Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Just speak up.
Uh-huh.
You can listen.
Please
ये
ask,
क्या
speak
है?
out. We are hearing you.
बस ठीक ठाक और कर गए.
Anything? All right. Okay. Regarding to your questions, I explain again. Okay. When your fund invest already, the fund will keep in a PancakeSwap. You know, it's not keep in the BitNest website. So you no need to worry. In the midst of 38 days, you know, if the fund will go to other place or get scammed by other platform. No, there's no way, no chance at all. All right. Okay.
मैं भी जाना है. मैं हूँ इस region में.
If
Mr. Imran and Mr. Farhan sir, I am not
Board visit.
denying with the smart contract, but lot of time, and I will say in a lot of smart contract that is happen, and they can remove a smart contract from that BSC chain or Polygon chain or other lot of chain.
भाई रमेश
where-
भाई आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि लिक्विडिटी है कोई निकाल लेगा पीछे के दरवाजे से हम लोग सब रुइन हो जाएंगे बराबर.
हाँ, मतलब
करेक्ट
स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का तो मतलब तभी तक है जब तक वो
हाँ
सच्चाई में
नहीं
चलेगा,
ये
बाकी अगर
ये
कुछ
जो
करने का
ये
होगा।
जो ये जो लिक्विडिटी इसकी है ना कोई नहीं निकाल सकता. वो आपको मैं भेज दूंगा. ठीक है आप ग्रुप में ज्वाइन है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में.
अभी हाँ, मतलब आज ही मैंने करा है।
हाँ आपको वो मिल जाएगा ग्रुप में मैं डालूंगा. ठीक है इसमें क्या है यहाँ पे लिक्विडिटी को कोई हाथ नहीं लगा.
wait. Okay. So what he's saying is there are a lots of in other platform a lot of all this happen. You know, the platform remove the funds or that's all right. But I can tell you that all these other platforms they claim they are smart contract. Actually, all these are centralized platform. All these are not smart contract. First thing I want to ask you first. You go and check it or not. First thing, is it the platform decentralized or centralized? Okay, not only by himself. All these previous platform that scam people. First thing is they do not have this certain report. I can 100% guarantee. All right. All these platform they only
Yes.
mouth only. All right. First, they don't have this certain. Second, they don't have this high score. And then third, do they have do they also cannot pass this? You can check all these other platform by using this account, then you will know that is it a really where is the funds flow. All right. I agree that there are a lot of platform they claim they are decentralized, they claim they're smart contract, but end up they move up all the funds because you all don't know how to check it. You all never check it, so you think that BitNest and this platform are same. Actually, it's no. This few party already proven to you that BitNest is a truly decentralized and run by the smart contract, right? So instead of you going to take other experience as the guideline, I think you should really go and study all these reports, okay? And from all these.
All right, Mr. Imran.
All right.
Okay. I hope it will work for all of us, and it may work for long time, and we all will be millionaire. I will work for that. So thank you so much for a lot of logics
Yes.
and trying to convince me. So it's enough. Hope for the best for all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So actually, all this is not owned by the BitNest. All this is third party. Third party platforms that can show you all the proof. All right. To show you all the evidence. So as I said, that BitNest proven by legit evidence. All right. Not by mouth. Okay. So I think that's all for. Is there anybody have any other questions? Anything to ask or anything to share?
Hello, sir. Just one question.
Yes.
This is me, Bipul Gogoi from Assam, India.
All right.
I wanted to know where the company invests so that we return a great percentage.
This is a Web3 website. It does not belong to any country. All right. All right. All right.
Yes.
Okay. It's just like Binance. Oh no, it's just like Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin come from? Which country? Can you answer me? Nobody can answer you. Web3 project is the same. Also, Web3 is, on the Web3, it does not belong to any country. These fundamentals, you have to understand it first, right? But I can tell you that BitNest is a globalized project, right? It's a globalized project. We have to think.
Actually, I'm very new.
Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. So actually,
today is my first meeting. Actually.
Okay, good. I mean, it's okay you ask because actually decentralized and DeFi is a quite new way of logic, a quite new way of mechanism, So a lot of people still think of decentralized, still think of centralized from which country, No. Web3 belongs to the whole blockchain. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. So anybody? If don't have, I will just end up here. All right.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Okay.
I am Rakesh Sharma from India. Sir, my question is that how long is the BitNest contract period valid, and where do we find its validity?
BitNest smart contract. Are you asking
Yes.
how long the smart contract can run? Okay, I can tell you that smart contract do not have expired date. It will run forever. Smart contract.
Amir, what a fantastic answer.
What?
What a fantastic reply you have replied. I liked it.
Yes. No. Because a lot of new people they don't understand the coding. Smart contract is a robot, right? It will run forever. As long as that internet will run forever.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. So next, anyone have any other question or anything to share? Sagan?
No other question. Thank you. You have gone well today. In fact, thank you.
Thank you, Amir sir. What a beautiful presentation, as well the questionnaire session, and you proved that you are dedicated in the BitNest, and BitNest will run forever because the smart contract has no expiry.
Yes, no
Okay, what a
expiry.
beautiful. Yeah. Okay.
You are funny.
Yeah, Indian community today, Amir replied so many questions.
It's okay.
I'm thankful to him.
Okay, it's
The
okay.
smart contract
Thank you,
has
thank
no expiry date till the time
No expiry date.
creator
That is for life.
creator intent is right and clear. Till the
Ramesh
time
Mehta ji.
We
no expiry.
BitNest will be running forever.
रमेश मेहता जी
Yes, please.
सर शायद मैंने ग्रुप में लिंक भेज दिया है आप सर एमएसटी ब्लॉकचेन में काम कर रहे हैं ना
जी
हाँ जी ओके ओके ठीक है मैं आपका नंबर भी ले लूंगा और आपको पूरा A to Z सारा भेज दिया जाएगा फरहान जी के द्वारा और मेरे द्वारा और आई नो यू वेरी वेल एंड आपको सारे डाउट सारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे नो वरी ओके एंड इट विल रन फॉर एवर ओके बस जो उसकी मैकेनिज्म है वो समझनी जरूरी है
Yes.
ठीक है जी
Yes. Okay,
thank
so
you,
for today, thank you for everything. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Ahmed. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Good
you.
Bye.
night.
See you next
Have a
time.
good
Thank
day.
you.